Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Zan and you're watching Flying Zan. This is the place where I teach you how to make planes that will blow your mind. So today we are going to fold a pretty recent plane of mine, and the name of that plane is Mr. Ugly. I named this plane Mr. Ugly because it has this kind of a nose type of something which is pretty unusual for a plane, but it flies very nicely. It glides. It is a glider. So let's see how we fold it. So all you're gonna need to fold Mr. Ugly is an US letter size sheet of paper, a folding tool, and a little bit of tape. The folding tool and tape are optional but highly recommended because if you see, this plane has a lot of openings which can create a lot of drag. So I recommend a folding tool and some tape. So by the way, I'm using US letter size sheet of paper which is 8.5 by 11 inches. So this is not a standard A4 size sheet of paper. It is US letter size. So let's get on folding. So I'm just gonna keep my folding tool and tape aside. So our first fold is basically getting this edge to this edge. So we just gonna do a horizontal crease. So try to get this crease very sharp because this is like a foundation to the whole plane. So get this really sharp. So our first crease is done. You can use a folding tool right now, but the paper isn't really thick, but still you get very exact and perfect creases if you use a folding tool. So our second crease is basically getting this edge to this edge, basically making a small triangle. So this isn't a very hard plane, but if you are very new to folding, this will be a little tricky for you. So do the same on this side too. Now having a folding tool on hand is pretty helpful because after a few creases this paper can get really thick. So that's done. Now as you can see, we have like a pretty big triangle here. Not very hard creases, just two, 3 creases to get a big triangle. Now what we have to do is bring this edge to this edge where our triangle ends. So get this pretty slowly because this has to be really exact. So now the main crease is done. Now what we have to do is, now where the hard part starts, what we have to do now is a squash fold. So basically what we have to do is just bring this up vertical, and you can see that there's a big bubble here which we can't do anything, but what we can do is just push on that bubble, and now we have a very sharp and new crease. So now you can see that we have like 2 layers. One is this, one is this. So this is what a squash fold is. Now again do the same on the other side. So if you didn't get that right, it's perfectly fine. It's pretty normal. Now what we have to do is just take this up, try to make it vertical, and there's a big bubble here. Put your finger really deep into it and just push on the edge. Now correspond this crease here with the center crease. So now that's done too. I will just crease it. Now still the main part is left, is making this part of the nose. So you don't get this normally. What we have to do is something known as the petal fold. So our petal fold is really simple, but if you are new to paper planes, it might be a little tricky. So just take this edge and bring it over to this edge. So if you have studied a little bit of origami or you have done a little bit of origami, this is going to be pretty easy for you. So now do the same on this side too. So if you are using really thick paper, the layers are going to be overlapping, but that's okay. Now what you have to do is basically just get this up, and we have to do make sure it is up enough so that we can just push these tabs in. So this can be fairly tricky, but it's a very simple crease. So now that's done. So now you can see this is our main plane and this is our nose part. So crease it pretty hard. So now that's done. So our main folding is done. Now all that's left is making the nose, taping the nose and everything, and making the wing and the winglets. So now just flip it over and put it in, go fold it in half. So making the winglets is also pretty easy. You see where this whole thing ends, right? You just take your this tip of the plane and just make it, fold it over till there. So that's all you have to do for the winglets. Now do the same on this side. So that's done. Now the wings. So the way you fold the wings is pretty simple. You just have the leading edge here and the trailing edge here. So if you didn't get what I'm saying, it's just like an angle of attack to the wing. So now make sure to leave a little bit of space there, because there's a big chance that you can tear up your paper if it's really thin. Now do the same on this side. So for this plane, the fuselage at the end is very small, so that's the thing. Now the main folding is done, the wing. Now all that's left is just doing a reverse fold for making the nose, this nose. So all you have to do is just take one of your fingers and your thumb and just push it in. So, and when you have pushed it, you can see that there's no way this is gonna be a perfect crease. So what you have to do is just take this end and push it inwards. So what this is gonna do is just fold this perfectly. So now that's done. So our main folding is done. Now this is the folded Mr. Ugly, but there are a few things left, and one of them is taping the plane. So taping is totally optional but highly recommended, because if you see, this can create a lot of drag. We have a pocket here, so this can create a lot of drag. So make sure to use a little bit of tape. So our first place where we are going to tape is just take a little piece of tape and tape it just where you have made the nose. So somewhere in the middle. Yep, this is the perfect place. So now that's done. So what this will do is keep these all layers towards each other. If you want, you can tape here also. So I'll just show you another place where you should tape, or you can tape. That is the end of the plane. So that's done. Now taping the nose. So now again take a little bit of tape and tape it just here, just behind the nose. So, and another place where you have to tape is the nose itself. Now the nose is pretty small, so it's better that you use very small amount of tape here. So now that's done. Now the folding is totally completed now, and the taping too. Now let's come on to adjusting the plane. So our main adjustment is actually just a pretty normal adjustment. It's just giving the plane a little bit of up elevator. So now you can keep the tape aside. Yep, so that's the only adjustment we are gonna make to this beautiful plane. So just give it a fair bit of up elevator, because the wings are so broad, we need a lot of lift. So that's done. Now make sure to see if the whole plane is exact or symmetrical. So there is a fair bit of, so yep, so that my friends, this is a completed Mr. Ugly. Now as I just told you, giving this a bit of up elevator is necessary because the wings are so broad. We need a bit of up elevator. So that my friends is a completed Mr. Ugly. I know this plane looks, and this is very similar to the last plane Megatron, so I'll link that below because even Megatron has pretty broad wings. So that my friend, this is a completed Mr. Ugly. So now let's see how it flies. Thank you for watching guys. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.